the body tags, so the opening body tag and the closed body and the closing tag for the body. So this is the structure, how it goes. So the more you explore the website, the more you can see everything, elements, attributes, heading, so you can learn more anyway. So use this website and plus other websites. We have also Code Academy, you can just explore it. But for the beginning, this is just our structure. Then we have something called file management, where you have to organize your website. You have to manage well your website and all the files within the folder. So ideally what you should do now is when you're on the desktop, anywhere, it is better to create a website folder. What do I mean? Ideally we save this file which is index.html. Now look, when you go to the desktop, it's just lying on the desktop. Now you will have more files of this kind, like HTML files. You'll be having many of them. Then you'll be having a lot of stuff on the desktop. It doesn't work that way. So ideally what you should do is make a folder for your website, what you're doing. Company website. Just create a folder, name it a company website, create it Ethiopia website. It depends on what you're doing anyway. So the file you had, you just go and put it in the website. In a folder. Just put in the folder of the website you're doing. So now you have your HTML file in the folder. From now, it's where now you're going to organize all the files over here in this folder. Index is the home page. We have other pages. You're going to have more pages anyway. But within this website folder, you also need to create another folder which should name images. This is where you're going to put all of your images. Any image which should be in your website should be in this folder. So you have HTML file, which is index, which is basically a home page. We normally name it index. And we have a folder called images, which will be containing all the folders. So now you have your folder, you have organized all your files. Whatever files you have will be duplicated inside here. We'll be having them here. So ideally now when you go to brackets, so you're going to have that folder. You're going to, ideally you can just drag and drop. Now let's you can just drag and drop the folder. Let me just have this here. So what you're going to do is I'll just drag the folder company website. I'll just do it like this. So we have our web file. So we can duplicate more files. So here, this is where now we have. So I can just say, let me try paragraph now, the paragraph tag, because I want to create a paragraph. I'll just do this. More text here. Let me just put the so I'll just save this and then I can preview it on the browser. So we have launched. We use this icon here, just the one I'm showing you with the mouse. We just launch and view our website. But now, if you see any element, any red, let me relaunch. We might have our codes, our tags, opening tags and closing tags, but at some point you might see some red element or some red codes. That only means that there's an error on the tags you're writing. It only means there's a mistake somewhere. If you see any red color appearing to the repo, and go about and look and try to find out where there's an error. Just show you. Oh wait, let me see. So we're just waiting for the browser to launch it, but in the meantime now, there's a problem. But anyway, let me just proceed. In the meantime, let me show you how we can have an error. Let's say I have opened a tag called, oh, okay, I've written just this. Look, there's an error already. There's a red color. somewhere, even below. So something which is not right is already here. There's a bug. There is an error on the text we're writing. So whenever you see any red item means there's an error somewhere. So you might fix it. You might go about and search and fix it. Thank you.